More snow is on the way this week. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for clicking on my weather extra. Of course, today was gorgeous. Tomorrow looks to be pretty nice as well. Now, our next storm moves in on Wednesday. Here's a look back at our time lapse. This one, our Portland Skycam time lapse. Almost had a spring-like feel at times today, with temps making it into the 40s. Lots of melting going on. Really was a pretty day. Notice those clouds on the increase very late in the day. Of course, the freshly fallen snow on some of the rooftops there in Maine. Officially 10.7 over at the Jetport with this last storm system. And if you think this has been an exceptionally snowy February, well, you're absolutely right. If the month were to end today, we would end this one as the fourth snowiest in 131 years of records. How about that? We're up to 46.6, and all we need is about another 4 inches, and we get to number 2, and there's a very good chance we do that. I do not think we will break the 62-inch mark there from the great winter of 1969, but impressive snowfall statistics. Of course, a lot of that coming in the blizzard we had a few weeks ago. All right, watches and warnings with the next storm. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch, areas in blue, from Wednesday morning through Thursday afternoon. It looks to be a plowable snow. We may have to, the Weather Service may extend that down to the coastline. We'll have to watch to see if they do that, and also back in the mountains. I would not be shocked if they do both. Okay, satellite radar shows one storm system pulling away up in the North Atlantic. Another storm system down the plains. In fact, blizzard conditions are occurring down in here. Notice all this Gulf of Mexico moisture. That's all going to surge off to the north. So our storm arrives here on Wednesday, and it looks to be a long duration storm. What do I mean by that? Well, it starts on Wednesday. It's probably going to stick around through Thursday. The precip will probably lighten up a little bit on Thursday, so probably a greater chance for mixing in a little bit of rain that day. And some snow showers may actually extend into Friday. Hour by hour in Storm Tracker. Again, tomorrow looks to be a nice day. We start with a few clouds, a mixture of sun and clouds by afternoon, at times mostly sunny. That should send temps to around 40 degrees, so more melting is expected on Tuesday. Things start to change on Wednesday. I think your morning commute will be a little bit better than your afternoon commute. This forecast model suggests a little bit of light snow and snow shower activity very early in the day. Steady snowfall should move in at some point during the course of the morning on Wednesday. Now, let's take you to about 1:30 in the afternoon. Most areas are looking at a steady snowfall, but notice what's occurring down along southern and coastal York County. This is just one forecast model's depiction and how it plays out. A little bit of a mixture and some rain down there. So we'll watch to see if that actually takes place. Greatest chance for a mix and rain will be along southern and coastal areas. Where it stays all snow, it should pile up. Through Thursday, there should be spots that get, maybe a foot, maybe even over a foot, especially back through the hillier terrain and mountains. This is one forecast model's depiction of how much snow we're going to get. Still way too early. I shouldn't say way too early. Still a little bit too early to pinpoint exact numbers here. Hope to have some numbers for you either later on tonight, early tomorrow morning. But Snow Tracker suggests, I think it's on to the general idea, where we see a little bit of a mix through Thursday. Probably around a half a foot of snow. Notice up through Lewiston, a little bit more, and the same back through the Augusta region. Now, the jackpot with this one will be back through the hillier terrain, and more so back into ski country here, where we're going to see some areas potentially over a foot of snow. So we'll watch that for you, but it looks like more snow is on the way, and it looks to be a plowable snow for Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday, okay, a mixture of sun and clouds, highs near 40 degrees. As we head into Wednesday, the snow develops during the morning. We may mix a little sleet or rain along southern and coastal areas, but it should be a plowable snow even here in Portland. That's how I think it's going to play out anyway. Temps look marginal. Temps in the mid-30s. Notice even the overnight lows right around the freezing mark by Thursday morning. Thursday, the precip should lighten up a little bit. That will promote more of a rain and snow mixture. Snow probably over the interior, maybe a little bit of rain at the coastline. It's still a little too early to say at this point, but snow showers may linger into Friday. I do think this will be the first weekend in 4 weeks that we will not have a major storm system affect us. I can't rule out snow showers on Sunday and again on Monday, though. So something we need to watch in the coming days. We'll enjoy our Tuesday. I'll try to get some more defined numbers coming up either tonight on News 13 on Fox at 10 or News 13 at 11. I'll see you then. Have a nice night.